Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Electronic Gadgets. Today we're taking a look at a unique and high-end PC case designed for enthusiasts who want both performance and a stunning showcase build. The product we're reviewing today is the Alphacool Apex Pro Skeleton Carbon Case. This case stands out with its open frame skeleton design and premium carbon construction, making it a perfect choice for custom PC builds and high-performance gaming systems. One of the first things you'll notice about the Apex Pro Skeleton Carbon Case is its striking design. Unlike traditional enclosed cases, this one features an open frame skeleton layout that fully exposes your components. This makes it perfect for showcasing high-end GPUs, custom water cooling loops, RGB lighting, and premium hardware setups. It's built for users who want their PC to look as impressive as it performs. The use of carbon materials adds both strength and a premium aesthetic. Carbon construction helps keep the case lightweight while maintaining durability and structural stability. It also gives the case a futuristic and high-performance look that stands out compared to conventional metal cases. Another major advantage of the open skeleton design is airflow. Since the components are not restricted inside a closed chassis, heat can dissipate more easily. This is especially beneficial for overclocked systems or custom liquid cooling setups where maintaining optimal temperatures is important. Builders who plan to install advanced cooling solutions will appreciate the flexibility this case offers. The Apex Pro Skeleton Carbon Case is also designed with enthusiasts in mind when it comes to customization. It provides plenty of space for high-end components such as large graphics cards, powerful power supplies, and custom water cooling radiators. This makes it an ideal platform for building a powerful gaming PC or workstation that requires both performance and visual appeal. Cable management and component accessibility are also easier in this type of design. Since the system is open, installing or upgrading hardware becomes simpler compared to traditional cases. Enthusiasts who frequently modify or upgrade their builds will appreciate how accessible everything is inside this chassis. Overall, the Alphacool Apex Pro Skeleton Carbon Case is a premium choice for PC builders who want a bold, futuristic design combined with excellent airflow and maximum customization. With its carbon construction, open skeleton layout, and strong support for high-end components, it's perfect for creating a showcase PC build that truly stands out. Thank you, see you in next video.